Do you ever find yourself scrolling and scrolling and scrolling and scrolling and scrolling when you're trying to pick a hostel?
One eternity later.
I get it, there's so many options, and how do you pick between them? That's what we're gonna talk about today, how to choose the right hostel. But before we get started, make sure you hit that subscribe button, and as always, you can find more information on my website at plaintochampagne.com. First things first, you're gonna go to hostelworld.com. 1, they have free cancellation, 2, they have secure checkout, and 3, they have reviews from people who have actually stayed there. I also think it's the best way to compare one hostel to another. Type in your location and dates, and now it's time to narrow it down. First, adjust your filters. I put the ratings bar from a 7.5 to a 10. I really never stay in anything less than an 8. Next, click Facilities. For me, free Wi-Fi and luggage storage are extremely important. They also have other options like free parking, air conditioning, free breakfast, etc. Decide what's important to you and check that box. Next, I'll take some time to research the city and find the best neighborhood to stay in. And I'll put those locations in the popular places filter. After that, I look at the price. This can vary from city to city, so have a general idea of the ballpark range of that city by taking a quick scroll through. Decide what price range you're comfortable with and adjust accordingly. Now it's time to look through your options. Compare pictures, extra freebies like bar crawls or free breakfast, and most importantly, customer reviews. Reviews are the deciding factor for me, always. I've truly never had a bad experience at a hostel using this system, but at the end of the day, you have to remember you get what you pay for. You can't be expecting a 5-star hotel if you're only paying $20 a night. But the things you can expect are a clean room and a nice staff, and don't accept anything less. I hope you found this helpful, and if you did, make sure you hit that subscribe button. And as always, there's more information on my website at plaintochampagne.com. Happy hostel hunting!